Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check for the plugins that was used to build a WordPress website. Probably you want to check a reference website and see what plugins and theme that was used to build a website. Now, using an extension like WordPress theme detector and plugin detector is not half as reliable as this method that I'm going to show you. Now for this method, you don't need a plugin or any other third-party solution to do this. All you have to do is just visit the reference website, and then you'd want to right click on the site and then click on view page source. So right on the page source, you'd want to use Ctrl F to search for plugin, and then you'd see the list of plugins. You can see Elementor here, you can see WooCommerce here, you can see WP Forms Lite here, you can see Pro Elements, you can see almost all the plugins that was used to build this website should be visible through this. You can also check for the name of the theme that is used to build a website, and to do that, just search for theme and then you can scan through to find the name of the theme. The theme that was used to build this website is Blocksy. So guys, there you have it. This is about the most reliable way to check for the themes and plugins that is used to build a WordPress website. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.